Try making this beautiful bird picture using shapes. First, draw some clouds and very carefully cut them out. Next, glue your clouds onto some blue paper or card. This is our sky. Now draw shapes. You can make a circle by drawing around the bottom of the paper cup. Then, carefully cut out all of your shapes before sticking them onto your clouds. They're going to be the bodies of our birds flying in the sky. Add paper teardrop pieces for wings and small paper triangles for beaks. They're really taking shape. Add googly eyes, and when everything is dry, you can add some extra detail with a pen, like the bird's feet. The shapes, as you've never seen them before.